use C++. I use, yeah, then you see, oh, this guy the fit one I needs, or the fit one I needs, then blah. Now, okay, another use case. Make it talk say, okay, now when I memory they come back, you go relax, we sit down way. Now when a coding instance they what? They kick back in. Okay, so now Mortal Kombat, what do we need? What are the key? Okay, first we need our working area. That will be the screen, but I'm not going to add all that stuff for you. Those variables are really, I don't know, Pygame specific. So for now, let's go into like core game mechanics. So let's see, we have a lot of fighters, right? Now for that, no, we can just create a fighter class to handle all our fighters, whether scorpion or whether antelope or whether giraffe. You understand? Then we'll be able to handle them. Now after we create in a class, you know that we have to initialize like this. Yeah. So we say define dash dash init. So we initialize it and it takes in self because we are doing OOP. Understand? Yeah. So now when you have something like this, okay, fine. Because of my emitting, I don't know if this also emits, but yeah, the automation. So we define init pass because the editor they also assume see I'm not also ready with my full train of what thoughts, right? Yeah, fine, cool. You understand? Yeah, so I need that. Now let's see. Now I need function where it will help me move. Okay. This will also be nested. Sorry. I need function where it will also help me what move my player like this. So I define them. Now I see pass. You understand? Because still I don't know what. Then I need function where go draw everything where they do. But then I fit come say pass again. I also need function where go update like this. Bah. Yeah. Now if it happen, then happen, say like yeah, as they move, then the things they come. Or like they Google and stuff, then they plug in the pieces. So let's say, oh, okay, as you reach away, you say, okay, I'm cool with this. You understand? And now I want to pause and go and do like I want to go do something else. So you feel like okay, this be a point where if you pause it, like you go show them everything. So you want commit. So you will see where have you got into? Okay, so functions done. Okay, you have to save it for there. So you save them now, you will see say some yeah, they say one. So you have made changes in one file. So now you can push them. So now if you add your commit message, then everything all in VS Code. That be my main concern over here. All this being Visual Studio Code. You don't even need to open on the terminal and then all that. No. So you click commit. Then you say, oh, would you like to stage them directly? Okay, this be another topic for yeah. Let's stage it directly for this. I mean it's straightforward. Yeah, okay. So now we stage them directly. Then we can see okay, make we sync changes. Then we go sync them. Then you go update one profile for the GitHub there. This particular project. All this code go end up what going there. Okay, so as that's updating, then let's see. So let's say our memory now keeps coming back. We keep remembering a lot and lot about how to code. You understand? So all fighters need what? Let's see a name. Let's see name equals scorpion like this. Let's see our name be what? Scorpion. Now scorpion they need in controls. So controls equals I do mistake. Not define. Okay, I've not defined anything yet, so the errors are going to be there. But yeah, so we say okay, controls equal controls, and we'll be making. Let's say in the future, we will make variables where it will handle everybody, like all the fighters, them are controls. You understand? Then we go So now that will be what will be stored in this our init method. You understand? Yeah. So we say self dot x, then self. Okay, so like for uh for Pygame, like the way we handle positions is like think of our Cartesian plane. So x position and then y position. Then you'll be able to place your staffs and then your people on the screen. Okay. So we can say, okay, all our fighters cannot be called Scorpion. So we also see self.name equals name. So ideally we have some variable name with a list of names, or yeah, and then we'll be referring to that over here. Nice. So you can see it's all coming together. Nice, 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 nice. Then also maybe a health bar. So self.health equals, let's say, 100. You understand? Mortal Kombat health bar, blah 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 blah. Yes. Okay. So yes, this is going to give us a whole lot of errors if we run it, but that's that. So if we have been able to do this, we just come over here, and then like it's another improvement, and we want to break again, then we can say, oh, uh, class variables, uh, done. Yeah. And I'll also insist, like this is good, like good practice to be very descriptive with uh, your commit messages. No, yeah, it be good practice. So say like, say sometimes you go like refactor, then this one you go to your old project. Go be cool, say, oh, you go be very confused because you look at the final thing. Sometimes it feel be plenty, but if you go through all this commit now, I started from here and I did this and then I did that and then yeah. So we stage this one too. Yeah. So if we stage this one too, when we come here, now we sync our changes. Okay, that's going to like send everything up to our profile online. Our hub is going to host it on the hub. That's why it's called GitHub. So now I come here and I click. Let me try to refresh. Boom. Okay, yes. Now you can see that the latest message on my Mortal Kombat.py is that class variables what done. So let me go in. Let me go. Make I go inside there. Yeah. Now you can look at all my class. Yes. So you can see that all that code is now updated over here. You understand? Yeah. Now it's like a breakpoint for us. We can go and do whatever that we want to do. You understand? Yeah. So now that's that for pushing and then maintaining your projects through Visual Studio Code, like no terminal and then whatever needed. You understand? Yeah. But okay, now let's see for any project you want to contribute to. Let's say you want to contribute to some project. You want to make you contribute to some projects. Yeah. This project it be very interesting. So like yeah, make I do something for you or something like that. You understand? Yeah. Now for that one, I've not found any workaround yet in VS Code, but it's not hard. It's not hard. Like make people get familiar with the command line interface. It's not really anything that difficult. Like come on, it be normal. It be normal. Yeah. So my internet kicking now. We will do that. I probably cut all of this out of the video. Yeah. So okay, let's say you want to contribute to maybe one of my projects, like over here. Which one of these is interesting? Interesting. Okay, Barcelona. Let's check out my Barca project. So over here, yeah. See, I try clone them aside. So over here, yeah. So maybe you notice I not scroll down very far. Could that be because I not really finished the project and I just made like the hero section, then the first new section way a bailout. So let's say maybe you want help and you go come over here, you go click where and say code, then you go copy this one over here. You understand? Yes. Now wherever you dey feel see, wherever you dey like you come here your terminal, create the new terminal. and then boom, and you go say git. Wait, did I forget? Yeah, uh, yeah, yeah. Make a. You say git clone. Where you paste the link. I shouldn't have done this here. Yeah, but it will clone the parent folder of whatever project you they work with. Like it will clone the parent folder, yes, in the directory. So whatever happened in FC Barcelona, everything's going to come over here in my Mortal Kombat. You understand? Folder. Yes, that's what I was saying. I shouldn't have done it over here, wherever I am. So currently, are they on my desktop, right? Yes. So if I do the git clone, yeah, yeah. So if I do my git clone, wherever I did, it will clone to that direction. But